Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do my thumbnail makeup. I'm so excited. I know I'm a few days going to be filming this, but you're going to be seeing this on the 1st, so may autumn begin. Grab yourself a cup of pumpkin spice tea, pumpkin spice latte, some cookies or pie or whatever, and the Hocus Pocus film, Halloween film, and enjoy. Because this is my favorite time of year, so let me just say that real quick. I decided to go for really orangey and warm and bare autumnal tones. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, hi guys. I'm going to start with my face primer. I just used the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Filling Primer and then move on straight to my brows. I'll just use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spritz that onto my soap and just comb my brows up. I mean, I just did this quickly, skipped a lot of parts. I do take quite some time doing my soap brows because it's just a little bit intense trying to get the front part to actually stick and look a little bit laminated. So yeah, to fill them in, I use the Morphe micro brow pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and I just fill them in with tiny little strokes upwards and then just brush it with the soap again, and then clean around it with the Bioderma micellar water just to make sure I don't have like too much soap and colour outside the brows. And then for the priming of the lids, I use the P. Louise base in the shade 3. Yes, this is the wrong shade, so I have to do this extra step where I show you that I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm using that bone shade so everything blends seamlessly. Now for the start of the show, I'm using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and I kind of just go in with this like very, you know, toned down orange. Like it's very soft, and I like to use this as a transition shade. I'm sorry I cannot speak, and I just do that. So I grab this rich burnt orange, pumpkin orange, to apply it in my crease. Now this whole look is going to be full of oranges and this and rich and just, it's autumn and it's full of orange. Okay, so I just use a tapered brush and just blend that all over my crease and start blending it upwards so it blends with the transition shade and it's a little bit softer so it's not super stark. Like, I didn't want to just apply this shade, but yeah, this is the star of the show in the matte section. Next, with a fluffy, tiny tapered brush, I grab that warm dark brown. It's not too dark like my brows or my hair. It's not black brown or anything like that. It is just a dark brown. It's very warm, very appropriate for the season. I highly recommend this palette if you want to have like any type of daytime, nighttime, autumnal makeup. Very nice. So yeah, I just apply that on the outer corners, elongating my eyes, kind of giving myself kind of like a cat eye, but not exactly. And then I just blend everything out, and for the sparkle star of the show, I grab this nice orange shimmery shade, and I just like throw that sheen all over the place. I don't want to create a cut crease. I want this to be very soft, like a soft wash of sparkle shimmer, you know, of orange. And then I go back in with the same steps that I did, you know, the dark brown on the outer corner so the shimmer doesn't go over it, and then just blend everything out. I did throw spritz some continuous setting mist on the packing brush so the center of my lid was a little bit more shiny, and then I just did the same steps, grabbed a makeup wipe, removed the fallout, and moved on straight to the waterline. And I grabbed the BH Cosmetics Power Pencil in the shade Warm Brown. This matches like exactly the same shade of the dark brown that I applied, so like on the outer corner, it matches beautifully. So I highly recommend if you want it for autumn. Highly recommend. And then I'm just curling my eyelashes and applying this mascara. It's a new one that I'm trying out. It's the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. It's not waterproof, so I decided to gravitate outside my usual comfort zone. You can tell my cute transition that kind of failed there. I applied lashes, but yeah, I'm gonna speed through my face real quick. But I do want to say that I was trying this new mascara out, and I'm not 100% on it on not using waterproof mascaras because I am a cry laugher. Like my eyes water a lot when I laugh, so I end up looking like a raccoon at the end of the day because I laugh a lot and I laugh every day, which is a good thing. Bad thing is that my mascara runs everywhere, and it is easier to apply throughout the day. Like I'm using usual face routine, by the way, that you're seeing here. Talking about the mascara, I I like it for an everyday type of thing, but I do cry laugh every day. So there's like pros and cons. Pros is easy to remove at the end of the day, and I don't struggle like the waterproof mascara. And cons, well, you know, it doesn't last as long. It doesn't hold the curl because my eyelashes point downward. But yeah, done with the face. If you want to see my face, I do it in every other video. But now moving back onto the eyes. I grabbed that like burnt, like rusty kind of warm, I don't know how to describe the shade, but I really like it. It's a warm brown. It's not like a usual warm brown that you see. So I really like this for the under eye. Used a tiny tapered brush and just put that all over my lower lash line. And I just smoked that out. And then grabbing the dark brown that I use on my waterline and on the outer corner to smoke everything out, I just joined that on my lash line and blended everything out. I really like this look. I just had to grab a little bit of a cleaner brush with another brown shade on it. The brown shade that I use every single day. If you've seen my everyday type of makeup thing, then you know what I mean. But yeah, I just grabbed that one to blend everything out. And then, you know, kept on doing the rest of the face, the freckles and everything. I just put mascara on my lower lash line and then apply some setting spray. Fan myself to death because, you know, you gotta let that setting spray down. I really like this look. I'm obsessed with how this looks. Like, I honestly love autumn tones, the autumn color palette, and the earth tones are just my thing. So, for liquid lipstick, it's the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. I don't remember the shade name, I'm sorry. It will be in the description box, but it's a beautiful terracotta brown. I thought it would match nicely. This is a bit more of a bold look. You could definitely just go for the nude that I'm applying on my lip right there. That's the usual shade that I use to kind of do my ombre thing, and it's the Loyalist shade. And then I use a Zoeva gloss in the shade Spread Your Wings and just whack that on my lips, and that's the look done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.